we are heading, if you guys can see in the title, you know what we're about to go do. Since we did the headlights already, you know what we're about to go do. So, we are on our way, and we're going to be there soon. I'm so hyped to do this. If you guys haven't seen the title yet, just click on the video. I'm not going to spoil it till we get there. But, yeah. Exhaust leak, boys. I know y'all hear that. Listen. That's all exhaust leak, man. All of it. It's just beautiful. I love it. I'm going with the basic color that majority of people already went with, but there's a number of reasons why I'm doing it for the build in general. That's my color. It's gonna look good with this black as well, so it's gonna look pretty cool. This piece, as you can see, no color at all. I can't wait to see this train set out. It's finna be lit. Look at the headlights. Oh, so good. Gotta adjust this one, but it's looking good. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. Just gonna pull the tires off and go from there. Peep the new wheels. I know y'all see that. We got tread now. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all about this, did I? Talk about this at the end. Just peep this. It's the guy's car. He's working on mine. It's pretty clean. It's bagged. So that's his car, and this is his brother's car. This is, I'm pretty sure it's bad. It looks bad. I might be wrong, but it's a wide body Honda Civic. Bro, this thing is clean. How it fades, the black, the white to the black, and these wheels. Sheesh. I don't have the IG tag, but if it's on here, or if I get it, I'll put it right here for you guys to see. Go ahead and show some love. Show some love to both of them, because they are dope with it. This is so clean. Damn. So clean. It's lit. Yeah, yes sir, we got the last one. We're gonna start putting in that work now and get this thing, it's gonna look good. If I get in your way, just let me know, alright? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what y'all think. Sheesh. They look amazing. Oh, God. Yes, sir. Man, when I tell you, yo, these look insane. The homie does really good work. I'm just so happy with it. I think they look amazing. Just want to give a big shout out to the homies. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram right here, DC_car custom. They do awesome work, headliners, calipers, and everything. Just like, bruh, what? Y'all can't tell me the red does not look so clean on this car. Y'all can't. Y'all cannot. There's no way. Oh my God, I'm so happy with it. All right, we're back in the car because it's cold, and the entire time he was working on this, I had to sit in the cold. So I'm sensitive to the cold at this point. If you guys are in the DMV area and you guys want some calipers done, he also does headliners. He does interior work in general, like panels and stuff like that. If you need any of that stuff done, please leave a follow. Check him out, DM, tell him the champ sent you. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. We have more mods coming. It's just gonna get better, like every time. Every time it's gonna get better and better, I promise. So thank you guys for watching. I'm out.